Okay, sorry about that, guys. As I was actually starting the video right after the mod registration, which actually took a lot longer than needed, which I do apologize for, especially over something so tiny. Um, right? What we're going to do is we are going to make a new class, which we will call um, test block, because why not? Okay, this needs to be a public class, and we also need to go um, Windows Games, new colony API, and we want it to be a normal type, not a power type. And because I really don't like seeing all that, we're just gonna pull the using. Yay! That also should class base type. Come on. Don't do this to me. Okay. And we're also going to get or be using Vendrix Games, that new colony API dot classes, to make our base type easier as well. Okay. So what we need to actually start off with is we are going to need a constructor, which we'll go with this version just because I don't want to do a texture right away. We are going to set that to 1 because they'll actually automatically register some textures for us. We will set recipe to false. And the name of this block will be, well, test block. Okay. So what we can actually do here is we can go, at least this is me, as I put in this for everything. So this actually has full access to every JSON type, essentially. Like all the JSON tags that are in the JSON version of modding is available in this, okay? I will actually bring up the class for you guys. Okay? It has everything, okay? Like this file is literally almost 1,000 lines long just to make this for you guys and yeah, make it look nice and pretty. Updated JSON. Why? I'll have to double look into that one. But yeah, there's multiple constructors. This is actually required by the game and how it'll do it. Don't worry about the add recipe stuff right now. I will worry about that later. But essentially, what it's going to do is if you choose to set recipe to true, it will automatically try to, like, you'll end up having to override add recipes. Function, and then the API will call that, or we'll end up using this essentially, which will add it to the recipe manager. But like I said, not something I need to worry about. That's actually me being slightly off track. And just double checking this. Okay, yep, that is. See, this, the API automatically expects basically anything, any type you make to not be placeable. Reason for that is because there are actual reasons to not want to place blocks, as if it were like food, for instance, or items for the colonists, yada yada yada. So all we should actually have to do is go this dot is placeable equals true, although you can actually just go is placeable. I just do this, that way I know it's regarding this specific thing. So it's like, essentially, if I wanted to make a item factory, for instance, I could, go bool and then is placeable, right? Am I gonna do that? No. Hence why this is darker instead of a lighter this, but yeah. The one there is for rotation, or not rotation, but the U short block sides. It's a U short because it's easier. I could actually probably lower that to a byte, or even like a boolean realistically, because it just needs to be like true or not. But the API has 4 textures built in to actually show you which side is which, excluding the y-axis, because y-axis is top and bottom, of course, with y minus being the bottom and y plus being the top. So with that now done, okay, we should actually be able to go build solution. Boop, boop, and pull over example mod. Okay. So test block. And I got so many games. Ta-da! Yeah. Okay, so we will go single player, new world, nothing. Example mod, because why the hell not? Crap, did I disable everything first? Well, about to find out. Because, yeah, the loading time for all my, no, I didn't. Ah, crap. I might get kicked out and I might have to actually try reloading into the world because I'm pretty, yeah. Because I think Zune, so the one dev, actually has a timer. So if it takes you too long, it just automatically kicks you out. The problem is there's no way in hell you can actually reach that limit. Okay, see, so we're in the game. So now if we go cheats on, okay, we can go loot, test block. No, it is a block. What do you mean it's not a block? Why is it? God damn it. Hold on. That's gonna freak out because all the stuff was still being held. Okay, single player. Okay, first of all, let's actually go and disable the stuff to make this load faster because, yeah, I don't want to be trying to do this all night, and I don't think you guys want another 30-minute long video of basically jack all. Okay. Okay, so API and the example mod. All that's needed. Okay. Run. So 4 types. Okay, so let's go. Actually, no. Close that. We'll actually make a new world that'll actually have this stuff properly generate. We will call this example mod 2. Okay, example mod 2. Item tables. test block. Not loading for some godforsaken reason. Okay. That is the correct thing. Content, blocks, power line. Okay, actually not power line. That's probably actually a bad example. Item. Colony wand, okay? See? Everything there. Unless for some reason it's not getting... hold on. No, actually I think that was the issue right there. The thing that is fixed. I forgot how picky this can be. Okay, so it was saying that there were 4 types loaded. Okay. So now if I reload this, 5 types. Okay, much better. So reload that. Test block. Okay. So what the issue was is if I come in here, example mod. Okay, this name in the mod info.json has to match what the mod name is. If not, it won't pull the .dll into the API and it won't load the mods, okay? Just as a reminder. Sorry, totally forgot about that. It's stuff that I haven't had to deal with in a while. So, yeah. So now if we jump over here. Okay. We can go cheats on loot test block. Okay, it's a question mark. That's just the way all the icons actually end up coming up as. And bang, see? And now you have a block inside the game. Ta-da! Ta-da! Right, guys, and that is how to add in a block using my API. Alright? We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.